Imagine a time when the whole world looked up at the night sky, holding its breath. A time when two superpowers vied for supremacy, not on battlefields, but in the uncharted vastness of space. The race to the moon was more than a scientific endeavor. It was a cosmic competition that changed the course of history. The story begins during the heights of the Cold War, a period marked by intense rivalry between the United States and the Soviet Union. On October 4, 1957, the Soviets launched Sputnik, the first artificial satellite to orbit the Earth. This metallic sphere, although modest in its capabilities, sent a message loud and clear across the globe. Technological dominance in space could signify geopolitical supremacy on Earth. The United States, shocked by this sudden leap, responded with a new urgency, setting the stage for one of the most thrilling chapters in human history. President John F. Kennedy captured the imagination of millions in 1961 with a bold declaration. The United States would land a man on the moon before the decade was out. This statement was met with both awe and skepticism. The challenge was immense, fraught with peril and uncertainty. Project Apollo was born, a monumental program that would demand unprecedented ingenuity, collaboration, and courage. Meanwhile, the Soviet Union was not idle. Building on their early successes with manned space missions like Vostok 1, which carried Yuri Gagarin into orbit, Soviet engineers and scientists worked tirelessly to achieve a lunar landing of their own. This race was not only about technological prowess, but also about national pride and ideological triumph. Behind the scenes, thousands of scientists, engineers, and astronauts worked tirelessly, often pushing the boundaries of what was considered possible. In the United States, NASA's ambition catalyzed rapid advancements in technology, from the development of the Saturn V rocket, a towering behemoth designed to propel humans beyond Earth's cradle, to the delicate balance of life support systems that would sustain astronauts in the vacuum of space. Crucial to this effort were the astronauts themselves, men of steely resolve and unyielding bravery. These pioneers, such as Neil Armstrong, Edwin Buzz Aldrin, and Michael Collins, trained rigorously, prepared for every conceivable contingency, and inspired a generation to look beyond their earthly confines. As the decade drew to a close, the world watched in anticipation and anxiety. On July 16, 1969, Apollo 11 lifted off, embarking on its historic mission. 4 days later, on July 20th, an indelible moment was etched into the collective memory of humankind. As Neil Armstrong's boot touched the lunar dust, his words echoed back to Earth. "That's one small step for man, one giant leap for mankind." While the United States achieved the ultimate prize in this celestial contest, the Soviet Union's contributions to space exploration remain indelible. Their early milestones laid the groundwork for future cosmic endeavors, and the legacy of this race continues to inspire cooperation in space to this day. Reflecting on the race to the moon, it stands as a testament to human ingenuity and determination. It was a time when nations challenged the very limits of possibility, transforming not just our technological landscape, but our perspective on Earth and beyond. A reminder that in the race to reach the stars, humanity achieved its finest hour by igniting a century's worth of innovation in just one decade.